Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to check the brake fluid level on a Mitsubishi. So the first thing you need to do is pull the hood release underneath the dashboard on the driver's side and make sure your parking brakes are engaged. And you come here, the hood should pop up on its own, but if it doesn't, just slide your hand under it and lift it up, and then right here, a little lever, you got to push that to the side and then lift. Then you'd go ahead and support the hood with a prop rod. Now here we're in the engine bay. Here we have the engine, driver's side, right in front of the driver. You can see the brake fluid reservoir. If you look here at the side, you'll see a mark that says max. So you need to be just barely below that. In order to add brake fluid, clean up the cap here with a clean cloth, then push and twist just about half a turn, then remove it, then you can add brake fluid. It's not recommended to add brake fluid from an open container, and also even more important, you need to make sure that you are adding the correct brake fluid. On the cap of the brake fluid reservoir, it'll say .4, it might say .3, or you might say .5. Make sure only use whatever is recommended on that cap. Add it and do not go above the maximum, and then insert the cap and tighten it. That's it. Thank you for watching.